Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss on anxiety disorders. Anxiety is a common and natural human response to perceived threats. It becomes a disorder when it reaches an irrational, persistent, and overwhelming intensity that interferes with daily life. Today, we will explore various types of anxiety disorders, including generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, phobic disorders, panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, and post traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Each of these disorders shares core characteristics of anxiety but manifests in different forms. We will also discuss their symptoms, causes, and treatments from both biological and psychological perspectives. Understanding anxiety. Anxiety is a future oriented state characterized by negative affect and feelings of uncontrollable danger or uncertainty. Unlike fear, which is a response to an immediate threat, anxiety is often about anticipating potential threats. It is a physiological and psychological response involving the activation of the sympathetic nervous system. When anxiety becomes excessive and irrational, it may develop into an anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorders are a group of mental health conditions marked by unrealistic, exaggerated fear or worry that impairs daily functioning. Types of anxiety disorders: 1. Generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. Generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, is characterized by persistent and excessive worry about a variety of events and activities. The anxiety in GAD is often described as free floating, meaning it is not tied to a specific situation or object. Diagnostic criteria: worry or anxiety must last for at least 6 months. The worry must be perceived as difficult to control. At least 3 of the following symptoms must be present: restlessness or feeling keyed up, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, irritability, muscle tension, sleep disturbance. Causes of GAD. Psychosocial explanations. Behaviorist perspective: anxiety is learned through classical conditioning, where a neutral stimulus becomes associated with anxiety, and through operant conditioning, where avoidance behavior is reinforced. Cognitive perspective: maladaptive thought patterns, such as catastrophizing or overestimating danger, fuel anxiety. Psychoanalytical explanation: unresolved unconscious conflicts, often stemming from childhood, manifest as anxiety. Treatment: biological, medications such as antidepressants, example, SSRIs, and benzodiazepines to reduce anxiety symptoms. Psychological, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is highly effective, helping patients identify and challenge their irrational thoughts. 2. Phobic disorders. Phobias are characterized by an irrational and exaggerated fear of specific objects, situations, or activities. The fear is disproportionate to the actual danger posed, and phobias can significantly impair a person's life. Clinical picture: excessive fear of a particular object or situation. Somatic complaints: physical symptoms such as sweating, shaking, or nausea may occur in response to the feared object. Low self esteem and feelings of helplessness are often present due to the individual's inability to control their fear. Types of phobias: 1. Agoraphobia, fear of situations where escape may be difficult, such as crowds or public transportation. 2. Social phobia, fear of social situations where the individual may be embarrassed or judged. 3. Specific phobias, irrational fear of specific objects or situations, such as spiders, arachnophobia, or heights, acrophobia. Causes: biological, genetic predisposition and abnormalities in brain functioning, particularly in the amygdala, which processes fear. Psychosocial, traumatic experiences of faulty learning in childhood, such as an intense negative experience with the feared object or situation. Treatment: biological, medications such as beta blockers or antidepressants. Psychological, exposure therapy is effective, gradually exposing the person to the feared object to desensitize them. Cognitive restructuring helps patients reframe irrational fears. 3. Panic disorder. Panic disorder is marked by the sudden and unexpected onset of intense panic attacks. These attacks, which often seem to come out of the blue, are characterized by a feeling of impending doom and physical symptoms that can mimic those of a heart attack. Clinical picture: accelerated heart rate, sweating, and shaking. Shortness of breath and feeling of choking. Derealization or depersonalization, feeling detached from oneself. Paresthesia, numbness or tingling. Fear of losing control, going crazy, or dying. Causes: biological, panic disorder is often linked to abnormalities in brain chemistry, particularly the overactivation of the sympathetic nervous system. Psychosocial, childhood trauma or stressful life events can contribute to the development of panic disorder. Cognitive theories suggest that panic disorder may be exacerbated by misinterpretation of bodily sensations. Treatment: biological, SSRIs and benzodiazepines are commonly used. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, helps patients address the catastrophic thoughts that trigger panic attacks and teaches relaxation techniques to manage symptoms. 4. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. OCD is characterized by persistent, unwanted thoughts, obsessions, and repetitive behaviors or mental acts, compulsions, that the individual feels driven to perform to reduce anxiety. Clinical picture: obsessions, intrusive, distressing thoughts, such as fear of contamination or harm. Compulsions, repetitive behaviors like hand washing or checking locks, intended to alleviate the anxiety caused by the obsession. Causes: biological, imbalances in serotonin and abnormalities in certain brain regions, such as the orbitofrontal cortex, are associated with OCD. Psychosocial, maladaptive thinking patterns and a need for control are often present. Early childhood trauma or family dynamics may also contribute. Treatment: biological, SSRIs are the first line of treatment. Psychological, exposure and response prevention, ERP, a form of CBT, helps individuals confront their obsessions without engaging in compulsions. 5. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. PTSD occurs after exposure to a traumatic event that causes intense fear, helplessness, or horror. PTSD can develop immediately after the event or may manifest months or even years later. Symptoms: 1. Re-experiencing the trauma, frequent, distressing memories, flashbacks, or nightmares of the event. 2. Avoidance, efforts to avoid places, people, or activities associated with the trauma. 3. Hyperarousal, heightened physiological arousal, including exaggerated startle responses, difficulty sleeping, and irritability. 4. Emotional numbing, detachment from others, reduced interest in activities, and emotional flatness. Causes: biological, trauma may alter brain function, particularly in areas like the amygdala and hippocampus. Genetic vulnerability may also play a role. Psychosocial, the severity of the trauma, lack of social support, and individual perception of the event can influence the development of PTSD. Treatment: biological, SSRIs and antidepressants are often prescribed. Psychosocial, trauma-focused CBT, EMDR, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, and exposure therapy are effective in reducing PTSD symptoms. Conclusion: anxiety disorders, Though they share common features of excessive fear and anxiety, manifest in different forms, from generalized worry to specific phobias and panic attacks. Effective treatments, both biological and psychological, have been developed to manage these disorders, offering hope to those affected. Understanding the complex interaction between biological, psychological, and social factors is key to diagnosing and treating anxiety disorders. With proper intervention, many individuals can manage their symptoms and lead fulfilling lives. Thank you for your attention. Follow us on YouTube www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.